Armorgard started back in 1989 as a general sheet steel fabrication business. We found a niche in the market for this, a strong and robust site security box.
It's that founding principle of unique, ultra-robust products soon led to an entire range of workplace solutions for the construction industry and beyond.
And we've grown into one of the UK's leading suppliers of solutions to improve safety, security and efficiency.
We're based in Fareham, near Portsmouth. Why not come and visit us?
Our wide range of manual handling, storage and health and safety products are all designed right here.
Innovation is one of our key drivers. We're continually adding to our product portfolio.
We also listen closely to those using our products, working in partnership with both the distributors and end users in order to identify challenges and develop solutions.
It enables us to properly understand the challenges in the marketplace and develop solutions that are specifically designed to meet those needs.
That's why Armorgard is recognised as a market leader in the UK, and our reputation for excellence is opening doors internationally too.
Well, the most notable things about Armorgard is our company culture. We have a really strong ethos of teamwork, which makes us a great place to work.
We live and breathe our company values, which we refer to as our shape.
S is for support.
And H stands for honesty.
A is for accountability.
P is for passion.
E is for excellence.
Our strong culture allows each team member to thrive, both in their personal development and in the way they contribute to the company's success. If you cut any of us open, you'll find an Armorgard A running through us.
We have a genuine rapport with our customers and each other, and that's what sets us apart.
From our busy customer service department, we look after hundreds of distributors from across the UK and further afield. Welcome to Armorgard, how can I help?
I'll ask them to find that out for you right away. Many thanks for your call. Thank you, goodbye. We're proud of our excellent reputation for being friendly, helpful and efficient.
We spend a lot of time getting to know each product. If you've got a question about any of our range, we can help.
We're shown everything from the smallest product through to the largest. We're even shown how to put the former store together in less than 20 minutes.
So when you call us, you can be sure to be speaking to real people with real product knowledge.
This is our 68,000 square foot warehouse. Here we bring all our products together and check them for quality. We complete final assembly, package them up, ready for distribution.
We work on a next day delivery basis and ship hundreds of products every day across the UK and overseas.
It's a big team effort that provides our distributors and their clients with a first-class service.
So, if you haven't joined the Armorgard family yet, give us a call.